Hi there everyone, Josh Rugger here with the latest details on an impactful winter storm that is expected later on this afternoon and especially overnight tonight into early tomorrow morning. There's no doubt about it. Every single county in our weather coverage area is going to experience snow in some form or fashion. The main time frame for heaviest snowfall will be between about 6 p.m. this evening through early Friday morning at 3 a.m. Still some questions to answer about the potential for some sleet initially with this winter storm, but it does look like significant snowfall will be possible, especially in the River Valley, where 4 to 7 inch totals will be common, while northwest Arkansas could see 2 to 5 inches of snow from this particular storm system. Right now, though, every single county in northwest Arkansas and the River Valley is under that winter storm warning. The only county in our weather coverage area not under a winter storm warning is Delaware County in northeast Oklahoma. Any of these counties in pink could see snowfall totals over 4 inches, but the farther south it needs to go, the more likely you are to run into that highly impactful winter weather. So right now on satellite and radar, you can see a little bit of precipitation trying to make its way towards LaFleur and Scott County. Initially, this snow and sleet will not reach the ground, but as we move throughout the day, those precipitation rates get a little bit heavier. We'll see those temperatures drop off, and a lot of that precipitation will start to hit the ground. But a massive precipitation shield on satellite and radar. The model's kind of underdoing things just a little bit, and that's why those snowfall totals have uptrended just a little bit with some of the latest data that's coming in. So we're going to show you the latest future track here. This is the latest HRRR rapid refresh model, a great model to look at. And as you can see, it's showing some snow in portions of the River Valley along and south of Interstate 40 as early as 10 o'clock this morning. So we could already see some impacts in LaFleur and Scott County through about lunchtime. Of course, temperatures will be dropping off very quickly in the River Valley, so that initial snow-sleet mixture may transition to all snow a little bit quicker than what we previously thought. Now, northwest Arkansas will have some time to experience those southerly winds, so temperatures could be just a touch above freezing along in north of the Bobby Hopper Tunnel, at least initially. But look how quickly those temperatures drop off according to this latest model. Already down to right around freezing in northwest Arkansas by 3 p.m. Heavier snow starting to push into the River Valley as we move throughout the late afternoon and early evening hours. And this is when those widespread impacts are expected to really ramp up over our area. Again, 6 p.m. through 3 a.m. looks like the sweet spot for the heaviest snowfall. Make sure you're avoiding travel overnight tonight into early tomorrow morning. It is going to be an absolute mess on the roadways. That could continue through about lunchtime tomorrow before the bulk of the precipitation shifts off to the east of the area, with maybe some lingering snow showers on the backside of that system as we move throughout Friday evening into the overnight hours. But we have adjusted those snowfall totals for northwest Arkansas and the River Valley based on some of the latest data. 2 to 4 inches of snow expected in far northwestern Arkansas and southwest Missouri. That does include Bentonville, Eureka Springs, Springdale, and Fayetteville. The higher train of northwest Arkansas could experience 4 to 6 inches of snow. So if you live in the Boston Mountains, expect those snowfall rates to be a little bit higher. Of course, in the River Valley, we're also expecting about 4 to 6 inches of snow in some locations, but there could be a swath of heavier snowfall in portions of LaFleur and Scott County, including Waldron, where as much as 6 to 8 inches could fall, with locally higher amounts certainly a possibility. So we're going to be watching this impactful winter storm all day. Make sure you download that Weather Authority app. You can find that on the Google Play and Apple App Store. Of course, Dan Scoff, Zach Gildy, and Peyton Langford will all be here later on this evening covering things for you here in the Weather Lab. Have a great Thursday, everybody, and stay safe.